Today we talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Samsung members app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse. So you just go here above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. You click here on settings here. You come to next here. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on notifications here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Click on notification categories. You come to next step here, then you come to featured content. Click in this sign. Like you see this color show for us. That's my featured content notifications enabled with us now. So that's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you I get it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribing.